Hey, have you ever wondered why people cough? It's such a common occurrence, but do we really know why it happens?
That's a great question. Coughing is actually a natural reflex that our bodies have to help protect our airways. When something irritates or obstructs our air passages, coughing helps to clear them and prevent any potential harm. It's like a built-in defense mechanism.
Oh, that's interesting. So, what exactly causes this irritation or obstruction that triggers a cough?
Well, there can be several reasons. One common cause is when there's an excess buildup of mucus or phlegm in our respiratory system. This can happen due to respiratory infections like the common cold or flu. The excess mucus irritates our airways, leading to a cough.
I see. So, when we cough, it's the body's way of trying to expel that mucus and clear the airways?
Exactly. Coughing helps to forcefully expel the mucus or any foreign particles that may have entered our respiratory system. By coughing, we can effectively clear our air passages and restore normal breathing.
Makes sense. But I've also noticed that sometimes coughing can be triggered by things like allergies or exposure to certain irritants. How does that work?
Absolutely. Allergies can cause coughing too. When we have allergies, our immune system overreacts to harmless substances like pollen or pet dander and releases chemicals that can irritate our airways. This irritation can lead to a persistent cough.
So it's not just about physical obstructions, but also about our immune system's response. Fascinating.
Yes, you're right. Our immune system plays a significant role in coughing as well. In addition to allergies, coughing can also be triggered by respiratory infections, such as bronchitis or pneumonia. These infections cause inflammation in our airways, which stimulates the cough reflex.
That makes sense. So, coughing can serve as a warning sign that something is wrong in our respiratory system?
Absolutely. Coughing can be an important indicator of an underlying condition. For instance, a persistent or chronic cough can be a sign of asthma, chronic bronchitis, or even lung cancer. It's always a good idea to pay attention to any changes in your cough and consult a healthcare professional if you're concerned.
Good point. It's essential to be aware of any unusual or persistent coughing and seek medical advice when needed. Thank you for explaining all of this.
You're welcome. It was my pleasure to help. Coughing is a fascinating topic, and understanding why it happens can give us valuable insights into how our bodies work. If you have any more questions, feel free to ask.